So boys and girls, today we're going to talk about growing things. And we have a little project coming soon that you're going to have to do. But this project is what you're going to work on first. I'll tell you about it a little later. So now let's read our book. Lola Plants a Garden. Lola loves her book of garden poems. Her favorite poem is the one about Mary Mary. Lola wants to plant a garden. Mommy says there is room near the vegetables. So what season is it out here right now? There's no leaves on the tree. It's winter, isn't it? So can she plant in winter? No, but she could get ready. Lola gets books about gardens from the library. She chooses her favorite flowers from the books. Mommy makes a list of her favorites. They go to the garden store to buy the seeds. Lola and Mommy make the garden. The seed packets mark where the flowers are planted. See, now it's springtime. Now she could plant her seeds. Lola will have to wait a long time for them to grow. Some seeds take a long time to grow. Lola makes her own flower box while she waits. Mommy types the Mary Mary poem and Lola glues it on. She's gonna decorate her garden. Lola makes a string of bells. She finds shells and some odd beads. Here are the bells. She even makes a little Mary Mary doll. And look, it looks like her. One day Lola sees tiny green shoots coming out. Look, little sprouts. She pulls up weeds so the shoots can grow. Weeds are the ones that are bad and kill plants. Oh wow, Lola's flowers grow bigger. They open up to the sun because they need the sun. Daddy helps Lola hang her shiny bells. Lola finds Mary Mary a special spot. It's just perfect. Look at how she hung all those things. She put her little Mary Mary doll there. That's so beautiful. Lola's friends love everything about her garden. They share the crunchy peas and the sweet strawberries that Mommy grew. Because her mommy grew fruits and vegetables, while Lola grew flowers. Then Lola makes up a story about Mary Mary. What kind of garden will Lola plant next? Isn't her garden beautiful, boys and girls? So let's look up here, boys and girls. So this is the stem. These are the leaves. Here is where the flower is going to come out. And what did I tell you was the most important part of the flower or the plant? The roots. The little straws that drink in the vitamins and the nutrients and the water that they need to grow. Okay? Now, that we know that they need water to grow. They need dirt, soil to grow. And they need the sun. The sun. The leaves grab the sun's energy and also make it grow. Called chlorophyll. So now the lions are going to do this paper. Let me put it on. Stop. Let me put it on my clip. So now the lions are going to do this paper. This plant is a bean plant. Okay, read how a bean plant grows. Then answer the questions. Now we know how they grow. We saw that. They grow up and we can help. Let's see, number 1, A bean is in the soil. See? The soil is the dirt. The bean sprouts. Just like in Lola's book, it sprouted a little bit from the ground. In the cup, it's sprouting out of the dirt. A stem grows up and roots grow down. The little straws, the roots are growing down, grabbing the water and the nutrients that it needs from the dirt for it to grow. We need food to grow. That's their food. And the stem is making some leaves on the top. And the leaves will grab the sun. Now, number 4, the bean plant grows. Beans are in the pods. See the beans in the pods? All right, let's answer the question, Lions, together. What do you see in step 1? Do you see a bean or a pod? What do we see, boys and girls? A bean. Circle the bean. Number 2. What do you see in step 2? Is it sprouting or is it just a bean? It's sprouting. So circle sprouting. What do you see in step 3? Sprouting, roots. What do you see in step 3? Roots, the little straws. Very good. Now, the bonus question says circle the bean pods. Number 4 has the bean pods where the beans come out. Very good. The little bears are going to do this page. What grows from a seed? We're going to circle the things that grow from the seed, and we're going to put an X on the ones that do not grow from a seed. Now, Lions, you could help them. Here we go. A bunny rabbit. Does a bunny rabbit grow from a seed? Nope. How about a tomato? Yes. Circle it. A butterfly, does it grow from a seed? Well, we know it grows out of something, but is it a seed? Chris, what is it? Where does a butterfly come out of? Sebastian? A chrysalis. Very good. So, yeah, it doesn't grow from a seed. How about a rose? A rose is a flower. Does it grow from a seed? Yes, it does. Very good. Vicky, does a bird grow from a seed? No, right? Where does it come from? Malaya, where does it come from? An egg, not a seed. It eats seeds. How about an apple? Audrey, does an apple grow from a seed? Yes, because there are seeds inside, right? How about a plant? Does a plant grow from a seed, Dominic? Yes, it does. How about a horn, Zarina? That's so easy for Zarina. Zarina? Nope. Does not grow from a seed. Matthew, how about a candle? Does a candle grow from a seed? No, somebody has to make the candle. How about these berries for the blossom? Malia, do they grow from a seed? They're on a plant, right? So yes, they grow from a seed. Now let's see. Milana, does a tree grow from a seed? Yes, it does. All right, Sophia, does a cow grow from a seed? No, a mommy cow has it. So, X. How about a pear? A pear, Samantha Ortega. Does a pear come from a seed? Yes, there's even seeds inside, right? All right, Lily, a sunflower. Does it grow from a seed? Of course it does. Lucas, does a fish grow from a seed? No. Good job, everybody. Good job. Now, I put this paper for next week. And I want you to start looking at it because we're gonna have a show and tell at the end of this week. Okay? So you're gonna do this with your mom and dad. Instead of a flower growing from a seed, it's gonna be you. Just like I showed you the book about how my kids grew up and now they're all grown up and I'm gonna be a grandma. Well, you were a baby. Show us pictures. Tell us about things that when you were growing up. And then put a picture of you here. And we're gonna have a show and tell on Friday. So start working on it.